First, download the zip file by the link given below in the description. Now extract the zip file on the current location. Now copy the folder and paste it to C drive. Now open the folder and copy the bin folder path. Now right-click on this PC and go to Properties. Now click on Advanced System Settings. Now click on Environment Variables. Now select Path Variables. Now click on Edit button. Now click on New button. Now paste your bin location, and press Enter. Now do the same action on System Variables. Now save this settings by pressing Enter. Now let's check. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.